What can replace functionally the Lennox 10F81 iComforrt thermostat which has failed, and Lennox does not have a replacement for it?
Have you replaced your Lennox thermostat or parts of it before? If so, how long ago?
No.
How long has this been going on with your Lennox thermostat? What have you tried so far?
The display is toasty. I cannot interact with it, but it still controls the AC system via online interface.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I've already researched a bit what Lennox has as replacements, but I don't think they are plug compatible.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Heating and air conditioning has been my specialty for 46 years, so not much I can't solve if given the opportunity. Please acknowledge each of my replies even if you are unable to perform a certain task I ask you to, or if you are hoping for a different answer. Together I believe we can solve this and find the best solution for you. I am working on several projects, so allow a few minutes for me to reply between our correspondence. You will also be receiving a live phone call offer. The offer is optional. You can accept the offer or ignore it. I am not always available to talk on phone, so it may be another expert who you talk to. Meanwhile, we can continue here as long as needed. Let me see what I can find.
Okay.
It looks like the 10F81 has been replaced by the 12U67. Not so much plug and play as far as using same subbase, but should wire the same. https://www.supplyhouse.com/Lennox10F81 iComforrt Wi-Fi thermostat.
I saw that the 12U67 is also no longer made. Probably same lousy display issues.
I had not realized that. Looks like that was replaced with the 19V30. Probably going to have to either go through a Lennox dealer or convert to a conventional stat.
I'll see what a 19V30 costs. Do you think the current thermostat will continue to control for long, with no display of course, just online app interface?
It should, as long as app stays connected.
Means I can't change out my internet provider. Wi-Fi is cool, but to connect to the network you have to do it via the thermostat display, which now doesn't work. Frowns. I got the high-dollar Lennox system back in 2015, figuring good support. The AC works great. Just apparently bad thermostats. Technology, can't live with it, can't live without it.
I hate the Lennox iComforts, Bryant Evolutions and Carrier Infinities. I as a contractor do not upsell this junk. I keep it as simple as possible.
One more question. Are any of the other smart thermostats out there able to control the two-phase system that the Lennox has?
If your unit has the standard RegWalk terminals, yes. If only the ABCD or 1234, no.
It was the top-of-line Lennox system. I think the number 21 was in the name. Back in 2015, it is a zone system, so controller board must be specific for that, I assume.
Probably so then.
Thanks for your help.
My pleasure, and good luck with a solution.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.